Hey there! Want to make some easy money online this year? You're in the perfect spot. I've got a really simple job for you, typing CAPTCHAs. And the best part? You can earn $240 for each one you get right. This isn't just any job, it's one of the highest paying opportunities in 2024. Ready to start making some money and take control of your finances? Stick with me until the end of this video because we're about to dive into an amazing way to make money online this year. Let's start typing and earn some extra cash. We'll guide you through everything, help you improve your skills, and show you how to make money online without limits. This is Profitability Plus. Want to keep up with new ways to make money online? Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time we post a new video. Let's discuss a platform called CAPTCHA.com, which you can visit through its website or app. While it might not offer the highest payouts, don't worry, I'll introduce you to another platform that does soon. For now, stick with me as I rank different platforms by how much they pay, starting with the lowest. CAPTCHA.com is a great starting point where you can earn money by solving CAPTCHA puzzles. You can start earning $1 for every 1,000 puzzles you solve. Many companies need help with CAPTCHAs because computers have a hard time with them, so they rely on us to solve them. In return, they pay us immediately. It's really easy to get started. You don't need any experience or special skills. Now, let's dive deeper into how this platform works and the opportunities it offers. Understanding how it functions can help you make more money and work more efficiently. I'll also discuss other similar platforms and compare them, helping you make informed decisions as you start your journey. Simply find and click the prominent Work for Us button at the top of the web page. Once you click, you'll see a clear message inviting you to start earning money without any investment. As you scroll down, you'll find detailed information on how you can earn money by solving CAPTCHAs. You could earn between 20 and 80 cents per hour, which gives you flexibility and the potential for decent earnings. The best part? You can cash out your earnings as soon as you've earned just 50 cents, which is easy to reach after completing your first CAPTCHA challenge. Moreover, the platform supports various payment methods, so you can choose what works best for you, whether it's web money, perfect money, AdCash, Payeer, AIRTM, or cryptocurrencies. Another great feature is that you can automate the task to save time and effort. As you scroll down the page, you'll notice that you can use APIs to automate CAPTCHAs. A handy tool for this is the CAPTCHA bot, which can solve CAPTCHAs for you. This is a clever way to earn money online without much effort. Also, if you're interested in making passive income, you can join our affiliate program. Just grab your special referral link, share it with others, and you'll earn 10% of the money that the people you referred spend or earn. It's an excellent way to make extra money without much work on your part. Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So go ahead, click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future uploads. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's check out the next platform on our list, megatypers.com. Here, the opportunity is clear. Completing simple tasks leads to easy earnings. By typing CAPTCHAs, you can earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. The platform welcomes typers from all around the world, making it accessible to a wide range of people. All you need to start is a computer with internet access and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. The schedule is very flexible, allowing you to choose your own working hours and how long you want to work. The faster you type, the more typer credits you earn, which can later be exchanged for cash. Megatypers is well known globally and is a great fit for stay-at-home parents, people looking to make extra money, students, and those between jobs. The best typers on the platform can make between $100 to $250 a month, which shows it can be a good way to earn. Mega Typers offers several payment options, including debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, PAWNS.APP, and Western Union. It's important to note that this platform is the second highest paying on our list, but there's still one more with even higher payouts that we'll look at next. Let me tell you about something exciting: PAWNS.APP. This platform lets you make money just by using your internet connection, turning your digital presence into something valuable. This opportunity is available to anyone worldwide. Here's how you start. First, go to the PAWNS.APP website and sign up for a free account. Signing up is crucial because it opens up the potential to earn money. Once you've signed up, download the PAWNS.APP on your devices, open it, and connect to the internet. Think of your internet connection as a bridge to opportunities. Here's where it gets exciting. PAWNS.APP safely shares your internet connection without touching your personal data. Other people around the world can use your IP address to access the internet. You become a digital helper, and your unused internet becomes a valuable resource. You can also take part in surveys on topics like fashion, technology, and politics. Your feedback helps companies improve their products. It's a way to share your knowledge for a good cause. The surveys are quick, and you can do as many as you like, with each one earning you $1. As you keep the app running and share your internet connection, you earn rewards. How much you earn depends on how much traffic you share, how many surveys you complete, and how long you stay online. The longer you're connected, the more you can make. Typically, users earn between $5 to $140 per month just by keeping the app active. Right now, PAWNS.APP pays $0.20 for every gigabyte you share. It's like turning your internet into a money-making machine. And the best part? You can cash out as soon as you've earned $5. You have options to get paid through PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. You'll answer surveys on various topics, and companies will pay you for your opinions. It's a win-win situation. They get valuable insights, and you get paid. No matter your age or interest, there's a survey waiting for you. Now, let's switch our focus to discuss one of the most lucrative platforms available online, CAPTCHA.com. This website offers a fantastic opportunity for people seeking steady work opportunities worldwide, making it accessible to anyone, no matter where they live. Since it was founded in 2007, CAPTCHA.com has earned a strong reputation for paying its users quickly for their work. What really makes this platform stand out is its detailed tracking system that carefully keeps tabs on both your progress and payments very accurately. What's really impressive about CAPTCHA.com is how fast it processes payments. Users enjoy the benefit of getting their cash immediately through a variety of payment methods. Also, if you take a moment to read the testimonials below, you'll see stories from people all over the world who have made money using this platform. They praise its easy-to-use interface and smooth experience, making CAPTCHA.com a top choice for those looking for dependable online income opportunities. And that's it for today. If you learned something and enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with our new videos. Once again, this is Profitability Plus. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.